Unlock your freelancing potential. Get your first client fast. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Moneyvia, and today we're talking about making serious cash, freelancing style. Listen, I know what it's like to want financial freedom, to be your own boss. That's why I'm dropping some serious knowledge bombs in this video. We're gonna break down how to land your very first freelancing client, even if you're starting from scratch. No experience? No problem. We're gonna make you an offer they can't refuse. Stick around till the end because I've got a bonus tip that's gonna blow your mind and have clients lining up at your digital door. Alright, before we dive in, let's talk about why freelancing is the bomb. Businesses these days, they need help. They need websites built, logos designed, content written, you name it. But here's the kicker, they don't want to hire full-time employees. Nope, they want freelancers like you. Why? Because you're saving them money, you're efficient, and you bring fresh ideas to the table. Think of it like this, businesses are drowning in work, and you're the life raft, ready to swoop in and save the day. Now let me tell you a little secret. Clients, they don't care about fancy degrees or where you went to school. They care about one thing and one thing only. Results. Can you deliver? Can you take their vision and turn it into reality? If you can answer that with a resounding yes, then you're already halfway there. Trust me, skills pay the bills, not diplomas. Alright, so you're ready to conquer the freelancing world? Awesome. But first you gotta pick your weapon of choice. I'm talking about your freelancing skill. What are you good at? What gets you pumped up? Because let me tell you, passion is key in this game. Now I'm here to make your life easier, so here are some of the hottest freelancing skills in 2025. We're talking graphic design, video editing. Everyone needs a killer YouTube video, am I right? Copywriting and content writing, words are money, people. Web development, building those online empires, and of course, digital marketing, getting those businesses seen. Choose a skill that lights your fire, something you can see yourself doing day in and day out. If you're a wordsmith, then content writing is your jam. If you're a visual genius, then graphic design is calling your name. And hey, if you're a tech whiz, then web development is your playground. My advice? Start with one skill, master it, become the king or queen of that domain, and then you can expand your empire. Remember, it's better to be a master of one than a jack of all trades. Okay, so you've got your skill locked and loaded. Now it's time to prove to the world that you're the real deal. How do you do that? By building a killer portfolio. Think of your portfolio as your freelancing highlight reel, your chance to show off your skills even if you haven't landed that first client yet. Now I know what you're thinking, but Mr. Beast, I'm just starting out. I don't have any real-world projects to showcase. And to that I say, no problem, create your own projects. If you're a designer, whip up some logos for imaginary brands. Let your creativity run wild. If you're a writer, start a blog on Medium, or create your own website and fill it with amazing articles. Share your thoughts, your insights, your unique voice with the world, and if you're a web developer, build a demo website. Show off your coding chops, your design skills, and your ability to bring ideas to life. Your portfolio is your secret weapon, your golden ticket to landing those sweet, sweet freelancing gigs. So don't skimp on it. Make it shine, make it pop, make it impossible for clients to ignore. Alright, you've got your skills, you've got your portfolio, now it's time to find some clients. And where do you find clients in this digital age? On freelancing platforms, of course. These are your online marketplaces where businesses post projects and freelancers like you bid on them. We're talking about platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour. These are your new best friends. Sign up for an account, create a killer profile, and make sure you showcase that amazing portfolio you've been working on. But wait, there's more. Don't limit yourself to just freelancing platforms. Social media is your oyster. LinkedIn is a goldmine for connecting with businesses and showcasing your expertise. Join relevant Facebook groups, tweet your heart out on Twitter, and don't forget about Reddit. Those subreddits can be surprisingly lucrative. Remember, the more effort you put into your profiles, the more professional you look, the higher your chances of getting noticed and hired. Don't be afraid to toot your own horn a little. Show the world what you're made of. Now here's where most freelancers mess up. They send out generic, boring proposals that blend in with the hundreds of others. Don't be that freelancer. Your proposal is your first impression, your chance to make a lasting impact. Let's break it down. A bad proposal goes something like this. Hi, I'm a freelancer, I can do this job, please hire me. Dull, right? Now let's spice things up with a winning proposal. Hi, client's name. I came across your job posting and I was immediately intrigued. I recently completed a similar project where I briefly explained the amazing results you achieved. I'm confident I can deliver exceptional results for you as well. I bring a unique blend of mention what makes you stand out from the crowd. Let's chat and discuss how I can help take your business to the next level. See the difference? The winning proposal is personalized. It highlights your skills and experience, and it shows the client that you've taken the time to understand their needs. It's all about showing, not telling. Keep your proposal short, sweet, and to the point. No one wants to read a novel. Focus on the client, their needs, and how you can help them achieve their goals. Remember, it's not about you, it's about them.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.
Deliver on your promises. Think of it like this. You're investing in your future success. The more value you provide up front, the more you'll reap in the long run. Bonus tip: leverage your network. Here's a bonus tip most beginners ignore. Use your personal network. Tell family and friends that you're freelancing. Post on social media. Hey, I just started offering service. If anyone needs help, let me know. Join local or online communities. Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Twitter. Your first client might already be someone you know. They just don't know you're offering that service. Tip: the easiest client to get is someone who already trusts you. Outro and call to action. And there you have it. 5 powerful steps to getting your first freelancing client. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. What freelancing skill do you want to start with? I'd love to hear from you. Outro music fades out.